Today I have the 900 in the garage. I'll be working on my next project, which is replacing this hood emblem here. So I've already kind of gone ahead and prepared some of this. It's pretty easy, but basically you'll just take a small screwdriver or just something to lightly pry up the old one. Again, this is lifted up, so this should just pop right out. And then there's two, put the screwdriver down. There's two tabs on the back for alignment. Line up with these two holes here. So then I just took a little bit of rubbing alcohol and a rag and just cleaned all the dirt out just to make sure it's nice and clean. Then I have a new badge here with the posts on the back. So just take off the protective coating and line up the two holes. Press it down. And there it is. Much better.